Strengthening your ability to drive a car. Driving is about awareness of movement and progress. It's connecting with the comfort and safety of your own car. Let's erase negative thoughts about driving and taking risks. We'll remove these completely and permanently for good. We'll eliminate resistance to improve and move forward. We'll erase limiting beliefs about driving being dangerous. We'll remove these thoughts entirely once and for all. We'll clear away fears from hearing about driving accidents. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, with infinite time. Strong and neutral for driving and not driving. Driving well, not well. Bad, not bad. Strong and neutral for driving much, not much. Little, not little. Strong and neutral for being fast, not fast. Slow, not slow. At 100% with infinite potential all the time, infinitely. We erase beliefs that others drive badly, or you live where there's no road education. We erase limiting beliefs about the opposite gender driving poorly. We'll erase feelings and reactions about driving, seeing others drive, and remembering driving. We erase its cumulative effect to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll erase the energy of powerlessness and insecurity already in other parts of your life. Let's separate driving from all you think you lack, can't achieve, or can't reach. We'll detach driving from what you see as dangerous or limiting. Let's erase ancestral memories of driving traumas and accidents. Traumas causing limits, loss, pain, family impact, and death. We'll erase the fear of losing control and fear of uncertainty. We'll activate physical, mental, and emotional intelligence. We strengthen 5 brains: CNS, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We'll boost feelings of certainty, power, and self-confidence. Strength to drive with or without fear, to face or avoid fears. Will empower you to turn your problems and fears into challenges. Strong enough to reinterpret them this way. Strong and neutral to transcend and not transcend them. Strong to eliminate all criticism, judgment, and accusations from others about you, your choices, life, and desires. Let's connect driving with your central nervous system back and forth. We align with all who drive and find pleasure in it. We'll separate you from those who suffer thinking they must drive. Let's remove your mind and its cumulative effect. We'll erase others' expectations, pressure, and misunderstanding of your driving process. We'll send all this to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark energy, black holes, and unknown places. Strong to integrate your energy with the cars and vice versa. Strong to integrate you into driving and driving into your energy. All this top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right. Inside out, outside in, back and forth, forward and back, 100% potential, infinite possibilities all the time. Let's clear away all the negative self-talk in your mind. Every time you doubted yourself, said it's too hard, or thought you couldn't do it. Stay strong and neutral, whether you're in action or at rest. Strengthen your core, your conscious thoughts, and your subconscious mind. Be strong to center yourself, find balance, and stabilize your body, mind, and spirit. Stay strong and neutral for all, positive or not, negative or not, good or bad, fear or courage, change or stability. Be strong, release, erase, free yourself, forgive, protect, and forget your mental blocks, fears, and resistance to new challenges. We're erasing the fear of disappointing or hurting others. Let's strengthen your brain, meninges, spine, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. Again, we'll reinforce the triad of relaxation, effort, and tension. We'll separate, level, and strengthen them 100% with infinite potential always. We'll strengthen the mind to eliminate it. We'll remove weaknesses caused by being neutral and mindless. Let's separate all thoughts and emotions. We'll center, balance, and stabilize them. We'll erase negative thoughts and emotions with their cumulative effects. We'll connect and resonate with other moments of neutrality. We'll remove bad info and misinterpretations about reasoning and thinking. We'll eliminate weakness from physical, mental, spiritual, and ancestral influences. Let's eliminate anger, fear, and greed with all their cumulative effects, yours and others. Let's erase conscious, subconscious, and unconscious energy that's weakening you. Decide and act now. We'll remove the mind and spirit's cumulative effect of never having left your body before. We'll remove the mind from the brain, macro body, and micro body. We're going to increase the speed of quantum particles to surpass light speed, strong at light speed, and strong below light speed. We'll place the brain before the mind and remove the mind from the central nervous system with all its effects. We'll strengthen cranial bones, right and left hemispheres, centering, balancing, and stabilizing them. We'll erase the mind from each of your organs, each of your projects, and each one of your unresolved issues will send to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes of the universe and unknown places. We'll strengthen you to release, erase, free, forgive, and forget these energies, this fear, this inaction. We'll erase it to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll strengthen you to reset, recalibrate, reprogram, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. All right, tell me how you feel, the same or different.